Hi everyone, I'm Phaedra.
I'm Nevin.
And thanks for stopping by our channel, Me and Mini Me, Home Decor and DIY. Nevin and I decided to start this channel together so she can work on DIY and home decor projects with me. I am not an interior designer, nor do I want to be, but we do love working on home decor projects. And because I really didn't let her help out too much, I decided this would be a great opportunity to start a channel with us doing projects together, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what's your best part about home decor that you like?
Home decor, my best part usually decorating and painting, because painting to my mom is really tiring to her, because when you do it with the paintbrush, it like takes 3 days to do it. But if you use spray paint, you could just do shh, and then boom, you're done.
Yep. So I don't like painting, as she stated, but I do love decorating our spaces and making them look nice. And welcome to the first episode of our series,
Teeny Tiny Townhouse.
So we live in a townhouse with
me, my mom, and my dad.
Yes. So we had planned to have a home built this year, buy a home, one or the other. And we had a lot of plans, but once coronavirus hit, unfortunately, we just decided to put those on hold and just hang out in the townhouse a little while longer. So since we're here, we're going to go ahead and do some upgrades and some makeovers and some refreshes, just so we can enjoy our time here a little bit more. So
the first video in our first series is going to be my room. Me and my mom doing my room, but I'm not going to help with the whole thing because it is going to be a surprise makeover. So I'm just going to like help her spray paint and do some decorations and stuff like that. But then I'm going to step aside and Mom is going to do the rest. So just to let you know, you guys are going to know what it is. So you guys are going to know and my mom's going to know. But I'm not going to know because it is going to be a surprise for me.
That is right. So Nevin is going to be working on a few projects with me. After that, I'm just going to have her go away so I can finish up the room. And then I'll reveal a nice, new, refreshed big girl room. Nevin is 7 years old and she's had the Ladybug Palace since she was a toddler. She was little. So now it's time to just upgrade her room to a big girl room that she can use from 7 years old and beyond. So enjoy our makeover and comment below, like the video, and of course, subscribe. Right? We're brand new, so let's get some subscribers so we can show you all some great home decor and DIY. along. Move it. Further, please, you're too close. There you go. And try not to kneel on that tarp, baby, because it has paint all over it. There you go. Not too close. And move it along. Stubby. See how it's...
Yes. With the picture frame. So we put France on the top and then a bike, flowers, and pink butterfly. Then we put Eiffel Tower, bonjour, a butterfly, orange butterfly, and then flowers.
Rug that says, or excuse me, pillow. I said rug. It says Paris. A customized Nevin pillow. This beautiful light Paris Parisian themed pillow. Matches the lamp. Kind of like flower. Stamp Paris pillow. It's like adorable. Wow. Going for your meeting.